Good morning. I wanted to do a quick video. We have quite a few things going on here. I'm working on multiple projects at the same time. As you can see right here, we're cutting some wire with the wire machine. We also have to get these situated here. These are for a company that we're going to be using for the lottery miners. Also a little KS0 wire right there we're going to do right there. Here's the soldering station if you guys didn't know. And then we're going to walk in the front here. And we have a lot of cables that we are stamping. All different sizes. These are going to be for the CMP cards. And then we have another project right here. I did a short on it. So these cables are going to be an extension cable, right? This is the prototype that the company sent me. And I provided a solution so we can do a 90-degree angle. So by doing a 90-degree angle, they can use my cable. So we're doing 90 cables doing these. So as you can see, stamping them. And then we have the heat shrink that we're going to be putting over. I want to send to the customer. And they're going to heat shrink it and basically make it like this, but not with the white wire. As you guys know on my channel, all the cables are made with white cables. White connectors and so forth. But I mean, it's a lot of stamping, right? I mean, there's always a lot of work being done. I mean, we have connectors everywhere. It's a little messy right now because we're always doing something. But I just wanted to give you guys an update instead of a short, just to give you an idea, the process day to day, what we do, the shop. It's a mess right now, but I mean, it functions. It works right now. I mean, you have to be really, really safe. We have this Honeywell thing. I mean, I bought this from home because we don't really use it. We got a new one, and this thing has been amazing. So when you're soldering in here, man, you really don't want to breathe in any fumes. This is going on right now. You probably can hear it in the background. But overall, you know, from soldering to fixing boards to basically cutting wire. That's the barrel right there. It's barrel wire right there. And we just have to stamp every single time that we cut a wire. We have to stamp both sides. So it's always a lot of work. Not a big deal, but I enjoy it, right? This is what I do. It's my business. So, I mean, yeah, everything's everywhere here. But you know, just raw cut, you know, I mean, look at all the little pieces right there from the cutting and the stamping, right? It cuts it and it stamps it. So that's the machine right there going to work. It's just a mess, so we have to always clean it up, but not a big deal. I mean, we have heat shrink, we have packets. I mean, I guess kind of sky's the limit what we want to do here. And you know, we're always working really, really hard to try to get the best product out for you guys. We have the heat shrink here. I was sleeving, I'm sorry, with some heat shrink right there, actually. But we have sleeving, you know, this is the shop here. It's not a huge shop, but it's a functional shop, right? You know, we get a lot of work and we do a lot of work in here. I mean, we have heat shrink galore. So if you guys didn't know my channel, I wanted to just explain, and obviously, you know, there's too much going on right here, right there. But I mean, we have SATA cables, and check this out here. Just sleeving galore. Virtually any color. Just wanted to show you what my day-to-day basis is. Wanted to do a quick video just to give you guys an idea what I do here, you know? So that's about it. That's all I got for you guys. Be safe.